Good morning, crafty friends and my friends over at Happy Planner. I was working on the video doing my TN and all of my video was lost. So as a result, what I have here is my cover that you didn't see me make because the video was lost. So I will do another one, but I wanted to pop on and just tell you what I did. So I took a cardboard box. It was a cereal box, and I cut it to the measurements that I needed based on what I printed out that's going to be going into my actual journal. And I added a 1/4 of an inch on the top and a 1/4 of an inch on the side, just so that it would have space so that when my papers are inside, there's some space. It's not right up. I don't want my papers to be right up to the edge and then I close it and they're hanging out. I wanted them to be back a little bit so that they're not seen. So I wanted it to be like that. So I added a 1/4 of an inch to the top, 1/4 of an inch to the side. And then for my spine, I made it about 7/8 of an inch, not quite a full inch. And what I do is I take my glue stick and I put my I used, let me back up. I used legal paper, the legal size paper, and I glued 2 of these together to get the size that I needed to get started. And then what I did was I put one half of my paper down and on my cardboard, and then I put my cardboard piece down. I glued that down with my Elmer's glue stick, and then I measured and I left about a 1/4 of an inch in between my spine on each side so that I could get this nice crease here. So when I fold it, I get that nice crease right there. And then I took another piece and I covered the inside of it. So for the edges, I fold in each side, and you can see, because you can see the glare right here. Well, it's not a glare, but you can see right here. This is where my folded piece from the back side comes in. It comes up to right about here. And then I cut my corners at an angle, and then I fold them up so that you can't see any of the cardboard anywhere around. It's all covered. And I'll have to go back and put a little bit of glue in places where it's kind of sticking up a little bit. But I make sure that I smooth it down so that it is smoothed down as best I can. Just because I want it to be nice and crisp. So I will do another one of these videos to actually show you the entire process. But I wanted to kind of come on just to let you know what I did this morning with my video. I'm going to have to add a little bit of glue in here. And that my video was lost. And so I have to start my video all over again. But for you friends that are following along, I'm glad to have you following along with me. I will definitely do another one of these bases so that you can see the entire process. But for now, crafty friends and my planner peeps, this is the start of my cover for my TN. So I will do another one later and show you how to do it. I also wanted to show you these. This is a clip, paper clip, decorated paper clip. And then we have the mini envelope. And inside the mini envelope, we have a jar tag. All of these goodies match. Another little tag. A little encouragement card, journal card. And then we also have a mini file folder. And then the envelope itself. So I will be making some some of these to go in my journal. These will be extra things that I'll be putting in, but I just wanted to let you know that I will be putting these cuties in my journal. They will be more of the colors and have to do with Paris, of course, because my journal is all about Paris. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video with a full tutorial on how to actually do the cover from start to finish. And then I will also show you how to decorate this one that I have already made. So thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.